Hey girls and witches, I'm here all the way in Tavares for Sphere Reach Scream Park. I'm so excited. This is their media event. This is not my first time here. We were out here last year. I have 3 haunted attractions, 2 are trails, 1 is a chainsaw chase. They have a whole themed bar with themed drinks, a bunch of games going on. It's so much fun. I'm so excited to be here again this year, but let's go. Alright, so I'm all checked in. This is basically to let them know that I am part of the media event. So I'm able to record inside the trails. I got my cute little swag bag with a cute little koozie for their bar, 2 complimentary drinks I will be using, stickers, buttons, all the fun stuff. I love when haunts do that. They never need to, it's just a nice little touch. But yeah, I'm excited. We're about to head in. They open at 7. It is like 6:45, so it's upon us. It's getting dark. In line for Grimmore Manor. This was so good last year. If it's a repeat of last year, I'll be happy with that, but I'm so excited. Grimmore Manor, it's like a whole like storyline. They might change storyline this year, but I'm excited. Let's do it.
Letting you go behind that fence.
Monster? Yeah. Scary. Manor is just a beast on its own, guys. You guys need to come check out Sphere Reach Scream Park. You guys do not want to miss it this year. So I just got done with Grimmore Manor, and holy shit, the effects they used this season, the improvements they made, the changes from last year. I was impressed last year. I'm blown away this year. insane. If you went last year, it's totally different storyline, different effects being used. There's a whole outdoor portion now. You guys need to check it out. It's so cool. Getting ready to get into Bloodline Barns now. This is my second trail of the night. I'm so excited, especially after the improvements they made with Grimmore. I'm excited to see what they did with this one too. So stay tuned.
I used to be his helper until he became absolutely obsessed with trying to create these animal-human hybrids. The room we are standing in is where he's tried his hand at witchcraft and has failed miserably. It has caused so much destruction. I'm trying to give you safe passage through this old barn. Keep my warnings, and you may make it out in one piece. Do not touch anything, living or dead. No cell phone flashlights allowed. The experiments do not take kindly to bright lights. This barn is full of horrible secrets. I just hope you do not become one of them. Good luck.
The storyline they chose this year, fantastic. The effects. Okay, so happy. Hi. You're all gonna die tonight. Yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time. Thank you. But it was good. I'm about to hop into the chainsaw chase. They literally chase you through this maze with chainsaws. I am so excited. Let's do some cardio. Here we go. That wasn't even a thing, and I ran into it. Oh boy. Oh my god, the flies. No, 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 no. Alright. Okay. It's always the before. Before the scare is always what gets me. Alright, alright, alright.
Nicole.
Everyone say hi to Allie. Where are me? Okay.
Oh my god.
That lasted like 10 seconds.
I went first.
I let her go first. I was going first this whole time. Like, guys, someone else go first. I feel bad hogging it. I hear it. I cannot see it.
See it. That's the worst. You hear it.
Hello.
You may hear us because we're already crying.
Hello. No, no. I think I peed a little. I definitely peed a little. Oh my god! We're not supposed to run! They said not to run! I lost everyone. They're dead. Hello. Ah! No!
Oh, wait for another one.
God. The best part is I'm literally blind. I can't see them. They can literally be waiting right in front of me and they're gonna get me because I can't fucking see. Oh boy. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. Where are you? Okay. Back there.
Around the corner.
He's around the corner, yeah. Here, bro. Okay. No, he's in there. He's in the box. What's in the box? You guys know the rest. Ah!
I'm like holding my
Oh.
breath. I need to like. Oh fuck. Oh no.
I saw him. I saw him. I saw him. I saw him. I saw him.
Oh my god, you should be waiting for us.
Hello.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where'd he go?
They disappear.
It's literally like they show themselves and then they like
Fucking. Sorry, kids. I hear the engines. I hear them, but they go and hide. They touch you and then they hide. Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Oh my god, he came out of the wall! Get in the walls! No, is it right?
I don't like that game.
Why not?
It's not fun.
That one. We're not there yet. Which way do you go?
This way. Left, but this one's open. Is it not this way?
No, fuck it, do it. It's
We're here. We're here. We're here. No. Look, this ends up being the.
You gotta go forward! We must pass! You have to go!
Hey, hi.
No, I'm lost!
Hello.
You're gonna Oh my god, how many are there?
Oh my god, they're multiplying like rabbits.
Okay.
No, no, no. Oh, left.
Go, you gotta go.
I beat a little.
Oh my god, I made it, I made it, I made it.
So I did in fact give myself a little bit. But that was so good. They did change a little bit of like the character design in there. They had different masks on this year. The whole purpose of it is like you're in a maze, you're not sure where you're going, and the chainsaws are in there coming for you. So good, so fun. I feed myself. What else do you guys need to know? Themed bar with themed drinks. I think it looks like 5 themed drinks. There's a fiery pumpkin ball shot. Lots of fun happening here. About Fair Reach is that they have so much going on, not just the haunts, not just the 3 haunted attractions. There's the bar, which is all decked out in themes. There's the fun games behind me. There's the fun photo ops. There's the fun cornhole. It's just so much happening. You can make a whole night of being out here. It's just a nice vibe. It's just so much fun. Cheese, monster cheese.
Monster cheese. Hamburger cheese.
There you go.
Kobe cheese.
Brie cheese. You're French.
That wraps up my time here at Fear Reach Scream Park. They're already open. Today was opening night / media night. So if you go check them out, I'm gonna attach their website down below. But you can buy tickets at the door too, but I would definitely recommend buying ahead of time. But yeah, they're opening and operating. I think you guys need to check out this one this season. It's so much fun. They were great last year. They're even better this year. Fear Reach Scream Park all the way into theirs. So much fun. Here's the cornhole behind me. There's just so much happening here. You can spend the whole night here, honestly. Check out Fear Reach Scream Park all the way into Tavares. It's worth the drive out. It's a whole night experience. So much fun things going on here. Fun for the whole family. It's a good beginner haunt if you need it. So many effects, storylines, everything happening over here. Check out Fear Reach Scream Park. Bye! Next one, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Spooky season, 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 spooky season.